This is Random Crap from May the 26th. Got a golf bag, but it's pink. I guess that's a golf bag, right?
No.
What is that, a bowling bag?
What kind of bag? How you gonna put golf clubs in that thing?
Oh, I got my bag this time.
It's a fishing bag. Daiwa.
Oh, why would it be a pink fishing bag?
It's a fishing bag. Daiwa.
Okay, well, it's for me then. I guess I'm going fishing.
Sweet. I wonder if it come packed with lures.
I'll check that later.
Maybe a letter's inside.
Oh, Chris, you got a shaving set.
Oh, sweet. I needed a new disposable.
Alright. I need my knife because there's 2 more boxes in the box. Oh, these must be those Disney things. Luckily, I bought one of these things, so I'm not jump to conclusions. Yeah, my mom's gonna be happy. I mean, not for my mom, but we got it for the kids. Very cool. Oh, they're all Disney. 6-pack of Disney.
Now a 6-pack of beer. And a couple of bags of Texas Air.
No, that
No?
wasn't no Texas Air in there.
That's a different box.
Yeah. I hope it's not the ambulances.
Oh!
Right, they're not. I bet it's a snowman.
Possibly.
Yeah, snowman. Cool. Snowmax speaker. Fishing bag. Got a fishing bag. Alright, thanks, Woot.